Guys, hope you're doing well. This is a totally non-real estate related project, but I wanted to share with everybody because I'm really fucking excited about it, to be honest. So I decided to sell the Rentmobile. Those of you who've been following me along, it's that red Polaris Ranger. It was 700cc gas powered. Wound up getting rid of it. Got tired of working on it, and I've also been really excited about the idea of going all electric in everything that I do. So we've got solar at the two properties. We've got plenty of power there. So this next build that I'm doing, which I'm super excited about, is going to be my ultimate around town golf cart. Long story short, I looked at a bunch of different options for like neighborhood electric vehicles. Here in Arizona, we've got great weather. We're able to drive golf carts and side-by-sides on the street, but I really wanted something that was I needed to transport me and the dog and people around. I need to be able to tow utility trailers, and I don't want to work on it, right? So I want to build it once, and I don't want maintenance, which kicked out a lot of the like gas, diesel options out there. So long story short, I spent about a week combing the entire internet, and I'm going to share with you guys the build that's coming up, show you a couple things on the computer, and then we'll jump on the whiteboard. But I basically designed this thing I need it to run about 30 to 35 miles an hour. I need to have about 30 miles worth of range. I need to be comfortable, clean, quiet, and also look cool because Gidget cannot be seen in anything less than awesome because she's just that kind of dog. So anyway, if you guys want to take a look at the computer screen. So this is a website by a guy named Scott. His Cart's Unlimited. What we're doing basically is we're having to redo a golf cart from the ground up. So what he sells are controllers. This is basically a box that takes power from the battery and puts it to the motor. So we're going to do a big 600 amp setup because, again, go big or go home. So we're going to go with the largest size controller, which is a 600 amp 48 volt. Going to make a lot of power because I need to be able to tow stuff around sometimes. I've got a couple utility trailers. They've got the welder and the pressure washer and a few things. We got to be able to move that down the road. So he sells the controllers and the switches. We're going to upgrade everything. The motor that I found, these are some crazy rednecks out in South Carolina called the Demon. I mean, what could go wrong when you have something called the Demon? But this thing should get me that 28 to 30 miles an hour. It's also 16 horsepower, which is a lot in electric. It's the fastest one that they make. So again, we're gonna go big or go home. Here's the other cool part. So I'm rooting around on Craigslist. Arizona actually has some really great electric vehicles. This guy here is down in Chandler, and he builds custom lithium battery packs from salvage car parts. So he's on eBay if you want to check him out. I think it's AZ Lithium on there, but he builds custom battery packs and chargers so you can get really cheap, really awesome lightweight batteries for your cart that will make it go fast, go a long way, and they recharge hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times. So we'll jump on the whiteboard here in just a second. I just got a deal on the cart. It's an older 6-passenger, so I got to go down and pick that up this week. Keisha's down, so we're gonna have to borrow a truck. I know, it's very sad. But we're gonna put this whole build together. I'll make videos of what we're gonna do, new cables, new motor, probably put a lift and some tires on it just to get the big street tires on there. And then I will have the inaugural test run. Gidget and I will be out there with the camera so you guys can follow along. But anyway, we're gonna need a name for the cart, so throw suggestions at me, I'm all about it. And in the meantime, go electric because don't kill the world.